Hey man, it's your boy Quiz TV. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all niggas how to make 10K a month as an entrepreneur at any age. You feel me? Now, if you don't know how I am, you ain't never seen the video before. Like, I make videos like this all the time. I make clothing videos specifically sometimes too, cause I personally have a clothing brand. You feel me? That's my business operation. You feel me? And I do other things, YouTube, automated YouTube. I design for other people's brands. Like, I do different things, trade crypto, not trade crypto, but invest in crypto, things like that. I get in all of that in my channel. This video specifically though, I'm gonna be breaking down how to become an entrepreneur and how to make being an entrepreneur profitable, because the title entrepreneur doesn't make you a dime unless you actually put in the work and put in the everything behind the game. You feel me? And I'm here to teach y'all the game today. So, without further ado, we're gonna wrap up the intro, but before I get into the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm currently doing a giveaway, bro, on my channel, so go check out my giveaway video for the details, and then we're gonna rock out from there. But yeah, first thing I want to get into, the first thing I want to get into, bro, is the fact that, like, everything is mental, bro. Like, everything before you even hop, you even get an idea in your brain, bro. This whole thing is mental, folks. Like, and what do I mean by that? I'm about to break it down. So, what I mean, everything is mental, bro. Your ability to make money, your ability to grind, your ability to be dedicated, to be focused, to be locked in, to have the ambition to go want to chase your dreams and chase a bag. All that come in your mind first before you put any action into what you're doing. You feel me? So, I just want to get that in first. Like, whatever you doing, bro, whether you gotta look at your life, bro. If you telling me, if you come and click on my video because you want to be an entrepreneur, but you not doing any of the steps in your life, you out partying all the time, bro. You smoking weed all day. You spend your last 30 on a 3-5. Like, you just going through life, moving through the courses, not focused, not achieving your dreams. And you might not have your dreams yet. And that's cool. But wasting your life away ain't doing nothing for you, bro. So you gotta be locked in mentally. You gotta have the ability. And another thing, bro, there's gonna be times throughout this process, throughout business, bro, there's gonna be some down days where, nigga, I ain't make a damn sale today, or nigga, damn, I lost some money today. You feel me? Or, you feel me? Do they really fuck with me like they say they fuck? You know, it's just ups and downs, bro. That's what come with this shit, bro. So mentally, you gotta be on P's and Q's, bro. Mentally, you gotta be on P's and Q's. That's the first thing first. Now, I ain't even gonna dive way too deep in that topic. I'm gonna get back to it at the end of the video. Now, first thing, that was the first thing. Second thing, my nigga, you wanna generate multiple streams of income. Now, why do I say that? If you generate multiple streams of income, bro, it's gonna help. One, it all accumulates back to you now. And it's gonna help you be able to pull money from other places and throw them in other places without being like, that's not your livelihood now. Say you work a regular job and you own a business, right? Say your regular job money pays your bills, or actually say your regular job money is what you use for fun. Like, well, nah, let's just say your regular job money is what pay your bills, right? And then you have a business, and that business pay for your travel, your vacations, your lifestyle, your car, your clothes, all that. Like, or even if you want to build your business to the point where it does pay your bills, like, you can do that. Like, but it's all about generating multiple streams of income first, so you can cut off other streams of income that take too much of your time. So, like, I'm gonna break that down right now. So, me personally, I have a few streams of income. I do automated YouTube, which is faceless YouTube. It's separate channels from this. Is basically re-upload, not other people's content, but re-uploading different type of content, and you don't have to put your face behind it. Whether it's, y'all see like rain videos or slowed and reverb channels. I have a slowed and reverb channel, but and a Family Guy channel. Oh God, I have a Family Guy channel, a slowed and reverb channel, but yeah, multiple streams of income. So that's a YouTube check monthly. So break down income number one. I have a YouTube check monthly. Well, that's not my first income. My first income is my business, but YouTube check clothing brand. I own a clothing brand, Official Steve's Clothing. That's my second check each month. Like every month, I'm getting a check from automated YouTube. I'm getting a check from my clothing brand. Now, the next thing I got is cryptocurrency. Like I bought low. You buy low. Anytime it's a dip or anything, you want to invest a little bit more money in it. Christmas time, holiday time's coming, so them prices and them shit shoot up. So that's the time you pull and either hold your money or you pull your money out and you got your profit. You feel me? Now, crypto for me is more of a passive thing. Like I'm not really looking for an immediate return. It's like progressively I'm gaining back because that's the money I would generally done like a savings account or something, you know? So that's another stream of income. As well as I design off my personal brand, because I have 31K on Instagram. Off my personal brand, I design shit for other people. I done worked DJ Academics prize merch. I done worked with a few people. Like it don't really matter, but I done worked with a few people with their brand, their merch. So yeah, I design for other people. So those are a few of my streams of income. You feel me? Now, I brought that up because to show you like all that shit add up. Like all that, like if I get 2,000 there, 3,000 here, 4,000 there, like that shit gonna add up rather than just working one job, putting 40 hours a week and you only making 2,500 a month. You feel me? Depending on how much you get paid. So multiple streams of income. I just want to get that part out the way. You feel me? I'm rolling through the video. I got the notes on the phone. We finna get through this. You feel me? So this is the steps, like how to start a business step by step. Like this is the part of the video. I have to get them other 2 points out, but this is like a step-by-step tutorial on how to start a business. Now, first thing first, you need to find your passion or your hobby. Now, this can literally be anything, like anything. I'm gonna give y'all two ideas. One, beauty and fashion are billion-dollar industries. Gaming, billion-dollar industry. Sports, billion-dollar industry. Modeling, billion-dollar industry. Technology, billion-dollar industry. Like, if you want the big money, you gonna have to chase the big industries. You feel me? Now, with that being said, any hobby, if you like to make music, your music can be your business and your passion, your hobby. Like if you like to write songs, you can be a songwriter, you can be a musician, you can be a producer. Like you can find a way. There's limited ways to find your way in a hobby that you love. Like I had a passion for clothing and culture. So what did I do? I made a clothing brand. Like I always watch YouTube. I always wanted to be a YouTuber. So what I do? I made a YouTube and now I have 1,000 subscribers. On my way to 2K, and then we on the way to 100K. You feel me? But yeah. You feel me? Just turn your passions. If you like to cook, you can make a cooking channel. You could sell your food. You could open a business, and you feel me? You can do there's ways. Like if you got a hobby, nigga, it's a way to make money from it. Straight up. If you got a hobby, it's a way to make money from it, and that's what I'm teaching y'all here today. So first thing first, find your passion, find your hobby. It can literally be anything, bro. You just gotta set up a business structure to turn into a way to profit. You feel me? So that's the first thing first. Now, next thing, you kind of want to this your brainstorming phase. So you need name of your business, everything. You feel me? Make sure it's meaningful and it has a meaning, bro. Like when you think of big brands, bro, they usually have meaning. You feel me? Like my brand is called Steez. Steez is a well-dressed person or somebody who naturally stylish. Like if you Google it, bro, that's what the definition comes back to. Why is that the name of my brand? Because it's a clothing brand. You feel me? So naming is important. You feel me? Make sure it means something. Like I feel like that'll galvanize the audience better when your name means something. Now another thing I'm gonna give you this game early. LLCs and trademarks. Now what is an LLC? LLC or S corp is basically what separates your business from you. So if somebody sue your business, they're not suing you personally, or you gotta pay taxes for your business, you're not paying them personally. You feel me? So you gonna need that. Like if you don't start off with LLC, at some point in time you gonna need an LLC. So Like, it's better off to start off. It's probably $100, $200, probably less. You feel me? Just depending on where you buy it. And state to state, you feel me? But LLC and trademarks, and it's also gonna make sure you have your name and likeness to your brand. Now, you gonna want to know, you gonna need that, because you don't want your brand to blow up and as soon as you blow up, you facing trademark infringements, copyright lawsuits, like all that shit. So I'm putting you all the game early, bro. LLCs and S corps. Now, everything I'm talking about in this video, I'm making a separate video behind it, like, because you need to know in detail about all these steps. I'm just giving y'all the steps of the game, bro. If y'all got questions, comment them down below. You feel me? So once you got your name, you got your business, hobby, or whatever it is, bro, you're going to want to make a website for your business. Now, you can do this multiple ways. Like, Shopify is a good way to set up a shop. Like, I 100% recommend Shopify. Unless it's a clothing brand, you can do other options, but Shopify is an easy way to set up a shop and sell whatever products you want to sell on it. So I definitely say start with Shopify. Like, you can get your own domain name, all that shit. You just want to set up a website. It's going to cost you. It's not that expensive, like, you feel me? But yeah, you're going to want to do that. And the next thing you want to do, bro, is every fucking application, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Truth Social, Rumble, Kick. I said Twitter, I don't know. Snapchat, motherfucking. I said Instagram, I don't know. TikTok, everything, bro. Pinterest, my nigga, everything, bro. You gonna want your brand. There's no reason why your brand should not be on all platforms. Like, you want your brand to be seen by as many people as possible. Like regardless, folks. Like, you gonna want your brand to be seen by as many people as possible, my nigga. So go ahead, get on every social media app. Go ahead, like, if you got to build your social media. I have a whole video on how to build your brand, bro, and how to build your personal image, you feel me? So I have 31K on Instagram, so you want to take heed to anything I'm saying, bro, take heed to that. I got a whole separate video. Go scroll on my channel, you'll find it, you feel me? So use every application to promote, you feel me? Pay people to promote, pay Instagram to promote, brand ambassadors, all type of shit. Like, the whole game, I'm breaking the whole game down for y'all, but yeah. Post, and the next thing, bro, post consistently, post daily, bro, like every day, like 3 posts a day, like on every platform. Don't care if it's the same 3 videos you post on TikTok, it's the same 3 videos you post on Instagram, or vice versa, or Snapchat, or anything, bro. Like, just make sure you post on every platform, and you post them multiple times a day. So yeah, bro, post daily and post on every platform. So the next thing I want to get into is studying the game, bro. Now, me, like, to give y'all a little background about me, if you watch my videos, you might hear me say this a couple times. I played college football. I went to high school in Texas, you feel me? Was blessed enough to have 7 offers when I graduated. Got the opportunity to play at the next level. Now, I took a lot of the game, a lot of the jewels, a lot of the life lessons I learned that I give y'all come from me playing football, bro. Now, why am I saying this? Is because, bro, watching film is a key part to being successful on the field. Now, what does this correlate in life, bro? Just like studying for a test help you on the test, studying your craft, learning your game, learning it, you want to look at your hobby, bro, or your dream or your business. You want to go look at the most successful person at that and study they everything about them, how they grew up, how their mindset is, how they was raised, the moral principles. Hear them talk talk about their hobbies, talk about their passion, talk about what get them up in the morning. Like, it's the internet is your access point, bro. Like, anything you can learn. You go from finding, like, if your hobby in boxing, they can go watch Floyd do that shit, or Mike talk about how they do that shit. Whether you use football, go talk about listen to greats, bro. You gotta listen to the greats when you got a hobby, bro. You gotta study the game. You gotta learn the people, the greatest of all time, the people who did it before you, the people who gonna come after you. You feel me? You also want to learn from everybody though. So I'm gonna give y'all a free jewel, bro. And it's this quote, bro. So it's 2 type of people on this earth: smart people and wise people, bro. Now, smart people learn from their own mistakes. You feel me? You rough up. You feel me? You fuck up. You get over. You fix it. You learn. You never do it again. That's smart. Wise people though, they learn from other people's mistakes. You feel me? So I don't care if it's you the worst person at what I want to do or you the best person at what I want to do. I can learn from you. Either if I'm learning from your successes or I'm learning from your mistakes. You feel me? So I'm telling you, bro. What I'm telling you right now, bro, is what make me successful. At least what make me successful. Like these things, and that's where I'm glad I'm at this point because I want to get back into the mindset aspect of everything, bro. Like you got to be able to separate yourself from people who don't got the same hobbies or passions, or it's not even that. Okay, so. Say me and my partners, cause I fuck with my niggas. Like I know I say in a lot of videos, bro. Separate yourselves from people who ain't really own what you own, all that shit. I got friends, like nigga. Don't get me wrong, I got friends. I hang out with my partners all the time, bro. But my partners know, like when Tay around, bro, like we having fun, all that shit. But I might not always be around to kick it. You feel me? I might not be all around. You feel me? Cause we all got our own lives, all that, like niggas not fucked up about it, and like everybody do their own thing in my friend group. Like everybody got their own path, bro. So it's not like I'm saying like separate yourself because you just can't fuck with your niggas, but separate yourself and lock in on what you specifically do. Like I make content. I have a clothing brand. I do this and that. I know I got a friend who does resale. I know a friend who do illegal shit. You feel me? Like they got their own lives, bro. That's what I'm saying. But like you gotta have the ability to separate yourself, like whether it's for the good or the bad or happy or sad. You gotta be able to separate yourself and be like, okay, boom, this is who I am, this is what I want to be, and this is where we going. You just gotta laser focus on that, bro. Like the friends, like everything, all that come with it, bro. Like if you successful at what you do, niggas gonna come around regardless, whether you got friends or not. Niggas gonna come around, dick ride, all that shit. That's why I strive off my genuine relationships with people. Like real love is what keep me going. But yeah, I'm gonna come to a conclusion to this video. You feel me? I just want to give y'all like 18 minutes, 20 minutes of free game. You feel me? On how to be an entrepreneur in 2023. How to make money doing it. You feel me? So if you learned a dot or a dime or anything from this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment on the video. And make sure you subscribe, bro, because we on the road to 2K, you feel me? So leave a like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? And that's all I got for y'all young boys. So if you made this point of video, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Tay Queez TV, and I'm out.